Guys, Fusion Gaming here, bringing you another video, and today I'm just gonna do part 2 of the butterfly knife. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this for like, I don't know, 15 minutes, something like that. Possibly 10. So, the cases that I'm gonna be opening, it's either the shadow case over below the mystery case, or the huntsman above the blue one. I reckon I'm just gonna start off with the huntsman, guys. So, oh my god, ad. Stupid. Oh yeah, and these mystery cases, they are really good. So if I watch a video, oh my god, it's 30 seconds, which is pretty long, but if you watch this, you get, free chest, or free package, and they're really good. Like, you have a better chance of getting a knife, you know, just better chance of, you know, overall. And everything is going to be factory new, which will boost the level of the amount of money that I get from selling it. But of course, if I get the butterfly knife, I'm not going to sell it. But so I have one. I'm just going to open this one. Okay, did you see that golden thing? See, it's a better chance. So what am I going to get? Oh, hot rod. See, look, 45. Jesus, that's a lot. But I'm going to discard it anyway. Okay, now I'm just going to go for the huntsman. Okay. And guys, just comment and down below what you want me to do, because I can't really think up all of the things that I need to do. Yeah. Did you just see the butterfly knife go past? I really enjoy making videos. Come on, give me a knife. Okay, let's just say, oh, there's a butterfly knife. Say every 10 chests, I'll swap from huntsman to shadow. So I believe this is my 6th or 7th, I'm not sure. Oh my god. I hate it when you just randomly get ads. It's pretty annoying. Okay, I think this is 8, I believe. Nah, I probably miscount, but... I've never got that camera before. But I'm just gonna discard it anyway. Okay, this is my 10th one. I don't know. Probably 11th, but I'll just do it anyway. Oh, am I gonna get it? Yes. Yeah, I'm gonna save that actually. Okay, I'm just gonna swap over to shadow case. This is CSGO, but you actually don't play, you just spin for crates. But yeah, it gets boring at times, but when you're on a hunt like me for a butterfly knife or something, it actually gets kind of exciting. But after a while, that's why I'm doing it for 5-10 minutes, because I don't like getting bored. Oh my god. Ooh. Okay. I don't know, I might change. I'm going to go for a Operation Breakout case. This looks interesting. No, I think I'm just going to stick with the Huntsman for the rest. I seem to see the knife a lot more. Yeah, got it. I just hate seeing, like, getting a really good weapon camera or a weapon and it just says field tested. Man, you get a lot, it would be worth a lot more if it was factory new. Okay, I'll do 10 more crates, then, you know, I'll end the video. Okay, so just to let you know that this crate has like the proper like knife. It's up on the top right or left actually. Huntsman knife. Nah, I'm gonna go for what's down here. CS:GO weapon case 3. I'll do the last 10 of these. Actually, no. This is the butterfly knife hunt. Wait, where's the butterfly knife? Is it this one? Yeah, this one. Okay. The most population of the weapon classes that I usually see is probably going to be the pistols. I see them the most when I'm spinning a crate. Ooh, that's pretty good. I don't know. Nah, I'm just gonna discard it.
For thousands of years, the women of Asia have
Oh my god. Okay. Okay, two more. Come on. Yeah, I think this series is gonna go on for quite long, depending on my luck, because usually my luck in games isn't that good. So I think it will take us a while to get this knife. Okay, last one. Come on, knife. Nope. Okay. That's gonna do it for this episode. Fusion Gaming signing out. Just remember to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Peace.